another video coming in hot, another Klaviyo tutorial. I'm Max, the founder of RevScale, the YouTube channel's namesake. Today, we're going to go over how to set up a post-purchase flow. What is a post-purchase flow? Examples, analytics, reporting, you know the drill. I love this email. It's the top performing email personally, just because you're indoctrinating, you're easing buying remorse, you're introducing other products. It's kind of this foundation for all the other upsells and cross sells and all these other post-purchase emails you will do. Top 5 flow. Let's get into it. It's super simple to create too. So let's dive in. Okay, when we do a post-purchase flow, we should be segregating first-time purchases versus recurring purchases. It happens one day later, right? So first-time purchases, congrats. Indoctrinate, ease buying remorse, emphasize brand benefits and hallmarks, get them excited for the delivery, and yeah, just thank them for being a customer and for choosing your brand. Recurring, thank you for ordering again. Do the same thing, even maybe upsell subscriptions of a quick subscription block. Email 3, notice these delays, one day, right? I guess it should be like, let's do, like 2 or 3 days. 2, 3, yeah, so it's like one day later, then it's like another day, right? Thanks for ordering again. And notice what I just did here, right? We are constantly hammering them with some post-purchase emails, and then it goes into a 2-day delay, 2-day delay, 2-day delay from one day. So people really want to hear from you, especially after they just bought from you. They have this emotional attachment now that they spent money. So, explain why you're the best, the mission, the motto, examples of, what you guys are doing, to further, the brand or the community or your cause, your mission, positive PR, and then start to lightly upsell them with the other, components and main core tenets of like the brand's offer. That could be subscriptions, that could be bundles. There's more to love with your brand usually, so show them that. That's the post-purchase flow. If you think about post-purchase flows in general, across the 0 to 45 day mark, that's when repeat purchase rates are the highest. So you should be doing numerous flows. We have post-purchase, cross-sell. We have, replenishment or upsells, VIP flows. I mean, the list just goes on with this type of flow. This is just so important because you're equally kind of manipulating, indoctrinating, propagandizing them into buying from you again, as well as getting them excited about the delivery and just like, this is like one of their first introductions to the brand, so you want to make a good impression, right? Let's walk through some examples now. All right, this gummy brand, very simple. It's text heavy too. Congrats on your first purchase. Split out on Klaviyo. Place order, equals 1. Place order equals greater than 1 for, thank you again. Recurring, right? And then you have, the why, the mission, social proof, and then you have the subscribe and save blocks, right? So very, very straightforward, honestly. Some design, hallmarks of the brand, but it's nothing too crazy. Just kind of reminding them of why they bought, getting them excited for delivery, showcasing some of the other core brand benefits and features. It's kind of like an about us and a thank you at the same time. With this brand right here, Nerve brand, right? Congratulations, or thanks for ordering again. Quick overview of the brand. Same thing here. Leave us a review into, unlocking wellness. We're excited for you for your delivery, upgrading your arsenal, some upsells, right? And then we have, same kind of thing. I think we probably upgraded these emails a bit. Buy more and save, those bundles and guarantees. So just like I said, just like the diagram shows, introducing the brand, easing buying remorse. They just spent money. They're a little bit emotional right now. So we want to say, hey, thanks for giving us your money, and also money well spent. That's it. Let's go over how to set this up. All right, in this case, you'd want to just use a template probably. Post-purchase follow-up. Let's go purchase. Okay, what is this? It's 2 overall time. So here we go. It's just doing the work for you right here. So as we create this flow, kind of what I said, we have a split, has place order equals 1 overall time. If it's yes, Thank you, you know. If it's no, meaning it's over one and it can't be zero because someone placed an order, right? So the logic is as such. It's a recurring purchase person. Wait 1 day. There's your order split on the trigger. There's no profile or trigger filters. It's just the place order metric, right? So if we go back and we actually go, oh, whoops. Oh man. All right, sorry about that. Post purchase. Let's look at the data. See, it's falling around that yes logic. Most of the logic is going to be from first time, right? Yes. Okay, someone placed an order. I really think this should be a day later, but it's okay. We're going to love this. Open rate. Here, let's look at the last 30 days. You should expect the revenue to kind of increase as it goes down the line, right? See this second email. What makes us a lifesaver? 1.38K, 2.71K. You know, I mean, there it is, people. Very, very, very straightforward flow. We do have a little bit of some different conditional trigger filters. This is a very simple and very straightforward flow. It's also guaranteed to just make you money too. And it's not a lot of effort. You can do this with Klaviyo Editor, hero image, some text, and some more text here, some social proof, ask them to shop from you again. Bada bing, bada boom. There it is. Okay, that was the post-purchase flow. One of my favorite flows, one of the top performing flows inside your arsenal of Klaviyo flows that you can do for any brand. Easy to do, simple place to order trigger, happens a day later, upsell them, introductionate them, ease buying remorse, get people, introduced also to your other social media platforms, get people sharing your brand. I think this kind of sets the foundation for a lot more complex flows, like introducing people to VIP customer loyalty reward programs, to subscriptions. That post purchase flow is like the start of that ecosystem, right? You're opening the door and now you're launching them off and seeing possibly if now they want to subscribe to your brand, if they want to join a VIP program, if they want to see what the other products are, the bundles, right? So I really like this flow because it's such a meaningful introduction for any brand, and it's really important that you just do it right. And it's very simple to do, so I love it. So yeah, that's the post-purchase flow, how to think about it, how to create it, examples, analytics. It's all there. Check out my agency, RevScale. Look it up, rev-scale.com, rev-scale, email marketing agency. We help all types of brands. We can help you too. Um, like and subscribe, please. Smash those buttons and check out all my other tutorials. I'll be filming a lot, so just check out any of them, watch and learn. Thank you so much.